What's up guys, Billy with Side by Side Stuff, and today we're looking at Apex mirrors from Trinity Racing. If you're in the market for strong and functional mirrors that look great, Trinity Racing has you covered with their high quality Apex mirror line. Whether you go with the Apex side view mirrors, the Apex rear view mirror, or you match up both for maximum style, Trinity Racing Apex mirrors will complement your machine while increasing safety and functionality. The Apex side mirrors are top notch. They're built aluminum, so not only do they have a sleek look, they're very heavy duty. And they're breakaway. Trinity's design team spent countless hours creating a unique breakaway design that holds solid when hitting whoops at 70 miles per hour, but easily folds if you happen to hit a tree branch or trail debris. The proprietary clamp design makes them easy to install on your cage with the provided Allen bolts. And you can adjust the mirror position to where you want it and snug them down. Trinity Racing's Apex rear view mirror is also sleek in looks and extremely functional. It features a durable poly housing that can handle the abuse your UTV takes. Plus, Trinity's design team spent countless hours on this design too, creating a unique clamp with a breakaway feature that guarantees your mirror holds position while still adjustable at the same time. Installation on this is a breeze too. Simply use the provided Allen bolts to install the clamp and position it where you want it. There you have it guys. Looks, durability, functionality, the Apex mirrors have it all. At Side by Side Stuff, we offer Trinity Racing Apex mirrors with a variety of clamp size options including an 1.75 inch, 1.85 and 2-inch mounting options. To purchase Trinity Racing Apex mirrors for your UTV or shop other Trinity Racing products, visit sidebysidestuff.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Side by Side Stuff YouTube channel.